Have you ever looked at your best friend and wondered how someone could possibly be that stupid? There's actually science behind it. Some brains run in energy saver mode, choosing the easiest shortcut even when it's wrong. Your friend's brain might skip details you notice instantly because it's built for comfort, not accuracy. Dopamine plays a role too. Some people chase quick rewards instead of proper thinking, which is why he gives confident answers that are hilariously incorrect. Working memory matters as well. Some minds juggle ideas easily, while others drop them the second a new thought appears. It doesn't mean he's dumb. His wiring is just optimized for vibes, not precision. So when he forgets what you told him, or makes a decision so illogical it hurts, it's not personal, it's biology, doing whatever it wants. His brain is simply running a different software update than yours.